The Department of Science and Technology conducts the 2021 Regional Invention Contest and Exhibit, which recognizes the contributions of inventions and researches in national development. For this year's entry for the Creative Research category, or LIKHA, we humbly present our project entitled Smart Electric Meter with IOT-based Monitoring and Alarm System via GSM. This project is a smart electric meter device made to small-scale monitor the electric activity of a user via single-phase voltage sensor and an AC current sensor. The device provides ease of access to its reading using a 2x16 LCD display and can be remotely monitored on mobile devices utilizing ESP32 IoT-based monitoring system, which can be viewed using Blink app. It also features an alarm system contacting users by incorporating a GSM technology when power readings reach levels close to overloading or levels higher than desired. The device performance was tested and the results were remarkable as to the convenience of information dissemination on monitoring and alarming. Here is the conceptual framework, which shows that the devices has two types of sensors, namely the AC current sensor and the single-phase voltage sensor. Both sensors will send electrical signals to the microcontroller. The microcontroller will then interpret the data sent by the sensors and display the readings as electrical properties such as current, voltage, and power in the LCD display. The users can monitor these readings remotely by connecting to a local area network or LAN. Additionally, GSM technology is utilized as channel for alarm in case of irregularities in the electrical consumption. As summary, the device has the following features. It is low cost, low power consumption, has modular application, low cost maintenance and repair, user-friendly in operation, non-complex troubleshooting, remote monitoring, anti-electricity theft feature, and electrical overloading detection. In conclusion, the device has performed exemplary in displaying an almost real-time values in both LCD monitor and Blink app. The device was also able to send alarm messages using the GSM module. This project has a long way to go, but we believe that with science and technology and DOST, we can rise as one.